Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to unbox the all-new February Walt Life subscription package. This here is a monthly subscription box in which they send you Disney memorabilia every month. How exciting is that? So if you guys want your very own, check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get goofy and unbox this thing. Yup! Alright, so this here's our box, and on the cover here it says Walt Life, an exclusive Disney fan club. You got different few stickers on the side here. You got like the Lion King, you got Peter Pan, so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and open up this crate and see what's on the inside. Check that out. That is really cool. So you actually see a lot of different things going on as you open it up. So on the top here it talks about different prizes that you can win by actually like sharing the images of what you're unboxing and stuff like that. But what's really interesting is what's in here. Now, first thing I do see is a postcard. Look at that. That's actually pretty interesting as well. And then we have another postcard over here too. So really cool looking design, definitely very artistic. And then, oh wow, look at that, it's a Boo! So this here is a Boo. These here are the pop figurines. So you can see that they have different figurines such as Aladdin, Princess Jasmine, Raja, even Red Jafar. But yeah, over here is Abu, definitely one of my favorite characters from Aladdin. A really cute little character nonetheless. Now, what else do we have in here? Oh, get that to the side for now. Ooh, Jellybeans. Now, these here are the Mickey Jellybeans from the park itself. Definitely one of my favorite things to eat, especially at the park whenever I go. And you can even see it's got some of the different characters here on them. So, very cool looking design and definitely something delicious to eat. And down here, oh, look at this. We have a Tsum Tsum, and this here is the Minnie Mouse Tsum Tsum. These here are collectible little characters, especially very popular in Japan, I believe. And you just stack them on top of each other, and I think they're actually making a great wave in the United States as well. This here is Minnie Mouse, and it's winking, and you can see a little cute little bow tie on the top. It's got even a little small tail too. How cute is that? Anyways, continuing on, we have ourselves a cup. Look at that. So another Minnie Mouse cup. You do see it's got a lot of different things going on inside there. It's got glitter. Definitely very cute, especially for like a little kid to drink out of this. I think they'd probably love to do that. So really cool design. It says "Oh my Minnie." It's even got a cat on there. So really cool. And then on the bottom here we have ourselves a night light due to the Nemo theme. So we got Nemo as well as Dory here. Definitely very nice. It's from the Finding Dory movie, the new Finding Nemo movie. So definitely a very cool looking nightlight nonetheless. Now inside here we have ourselves the official Disney theme park package. So this here is actually a collectible. So see what we got here. Oh cool, we got ourselves another Tsum Tsum. This here is the, looks like Dory, and literally just go ahead and stack them on top of each other just like that. And just go ahead and collect them. So really cute little characters nonetheless, and yeah, very nice. And then we have ourselves a token here. Now this here is the letter A. If you collect all the letters to Walt Life, you actually win a package or two to Disney World. So how cool is that? Definitely going to hold on to that, and hopefully we win. Who knows? And then lastly, on the bottom here, we have ourselves a bookshelf. Same reading is cool. And then in case if you ever do miss out on anything, it talks about it on the bottom here in the sheet, just so you kind of know what exactly you're getting. So we got ourselves a fun fill cup. It says whether it's for you or a little one, this adorable Minnie Mouse cup is a perfect addition to your collection of Disney goodies. Then it says there's Jellybeans. It says yummy treats with your best pal Mickey all over them. Does it get better than that? No, it does not. And then it says a mini Tsum Tsum, an adorable buddy to keep with you on the go or for bedtime. And then when it says Abu Funko Pop, everyone's favorite mischief little monkey gets to hang out with you all day. Yeah, once again, my favorite little monkey from Aladdin. And then on Nightlight, it says don't let the dark be scary, keep it away with this Dory's Nightlight, so cute. And then you get two different postcards. And then we have ourselves a little Dory Tsum Tsum as well, so definitely a very cute looking character. Now this here's a special package, again, once from Disney. Alright, well there you have it. A lot of amazing goodies, especially in this month's magical package. Now if you guys had any questions about the Walt Life subscription package, or if you just want to get your very own, check out the link down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.